crunchy Thai. Can I open? Oh wow, freshly baked this morning. Ada kacang and Nutella. Nutella? Oh chocolate. Oh wow. Kasih mau lah. Mana ni mama kasih? Mas bagi-bagi family lah ni. Abang give my mother. Abang give Kak Asma. Okay boleh. My mother will nanti later pun. Sebab dia tengah manage Fatimah dekat hotel. Fatimah nak swimming. Dia nak swimming. Higher. Dekat Julia. My favorite hotel. Daripada dulu lagi. Oh, itu my favorite. Okay. Oh, please send my regards to him as well. You just sembah kat dia. And congratulations to him on yes, Princess Anisha punya. Yes. Aku lagi cukup lah. Dia cucu kesayangan. Mak ada sibuk nak tengok. Present for Fatimah. What is this? Camera?
Fan.
What?
Fan, yeah.
Fan! Oh, tomorrow she can
Yes,
use this.
that's right.
And it's pink. I was looking for a fan. Alhamdulillah kat Allah Maha Berkuasa kan. Tapi I beli dah mama datang. Allah tak rasa alamat. Ni apa? Cermin mata. Nampak kat sini. Oh, the string. Dia sangkut. Mama, thank you so much, Mama. I love this. Ni bukan pakai tasbih dah kan? Ni pegang juga. Agak tunjuk pegang sikit kan? Okay. Thank you, Mama. She's gonna love this very much. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. Thank you very much. This one that you Mama, so much for that. Much. Yeah, turun dia. I know. But you get to see her. For sure, I think so. Tadi kalau dapat nak mami. Okay, nak Adora lagi. Mama. Udah rezeki selalu, Mama. Udah rezeki selalu. Sihat selalu. Apa lagi? Ya, amin. Ini ingat ni. Sekali kalau I love you so much. Always be my mommy, my mama forever. I love you so much. I love you so much. Fatimah love you so much. Apa? I'm your Nak gambar dengan Mama Aliza. This is my mother angkat yang tersayang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.